Good morning everyone. We'll be studying about some most important reactions which is mainly asked in the examination, board examinations or any, these are the basis of the chemistry here. So one of the reaction is beta elimination. Beta elimination, okay. So what happened there, this is an haloalkanes. This haloalkanes when treated with KOH means any nucleophile is produced from this KOH here in presence of an alcoholic medium, right? It gives you ethene, and then is the KHX ion liberated plus water molecules here. So here you look the mechanism here, why it is called beta elimination. So you see in this alkyl halides here, this carbon atom, carbon atoms, if you look here, this is alpha position where the haloalkanes is added, halogen atom is added here, and this is beta position, beta carbon atoms. The hydrogen atoms is liberated from this beta position. So this is alpha and this one is beta position. So hydrogen comes out from here. Therefore it is called one hydrogen and one halogen atom is eliminated. This position here. So therefore this reaction is called, this molecule is eliminated as come here, HX, you look here. Okay. Therefore this reaction is called beta elimination reaction. So what is the product of this reaction here? In this reaction here, ethene is produced. So when HX comes out from this here, the resulting molecule is C2H4. So C2H4 has been formed plus water molecules or plus KX. So this is called beta elimination because the hydrogen atom is liberated from beta position. Okay. So this is called beta elimination reactions here. So you have to keep in mind that an alkene is produced from haloalkanes. Then comes one more reaction here. We have Friedel-Crafts acylation. Friedel-Crafts acylation. Okay. So acylation is always done in presence of acetyl chloride. Right? Acetyl chloride, the formula is CH3COCl. There is one more type of reaction, we call it alkyl halides. That is CH3Cl. This is CH3COCl, acylation. This is the reagent used in that, and this is aromatic haloalkanes. Okay? Benzene के साथ chlorine है, chlorobenzene treated with this one here. So this group CH3CO group is added with this. CH3CO group is added with this compound here, and in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 is a catalyst in this. In this compound CH3CO group has been added, and the chlorobenzene is in the same way here. So resulting product is 2-chloroacetophenol. Right? So this reaction is called Friedel-Crafts acylation because the reaction takes place in presence of acetyl chlorides. Okay, and two different products are obtained here, major and minor here. Alright, so we have one more reaction here, most important reaction for you. Generally it is asked as a name reaction, Cannizzaro reaction. So it is a well known reaction, everyone knows that, right? This is here aldehydes having no alpha hydrogen undergoes, two molecules of this undergoes self oxidation and reduction in presence of concentrate KOH. What is formed here? Methanol and potassium sorbate is a product. So this reaction is called Cannizzaro reaction. Thank you.